What did you bring me today, Tony?
Well, Lazar, I brought you some king salmon that I caught during the summer months in Alaska. Premium grade fish that you are absolutely going to love.
That's a great piece. I want to show a couple different ways we can do this. I call it entrecôte cut. I don't know what other people call it.
Well, we call it a butterfly.
That looks really good right there. I'm into rustic these days, so I'm going to make this into a one-pan deal where we just put everything in one pan. Your royal red shrimp and some potatoes, yellow tomatoes, and green onions. Then we take the pan over and then we serve it.
And so that's the flavors all infused through everything?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
And I mean, this is also a good thing if you're sitting up around the campfire in Alaska. This is what we should make up there, right?
You got it.